Hi, send SMTP email using Swift mailer. So here is my inbox is empty and I'm typing my email address here and click mail me. Bit time and you can see email sent to this address, but I am currently on localhost. And see your inbox. Here is my inbox, mail has delivered, you can see. So today we will see how we can send email using Swift mailer. Just type Google and here we need to type Swift mailer and click first link, click it here, documentation, and here is the installation process. Just copy here, command composer requires Swift mailer. So we need to create a project. It here I am creating Swift mailer, and hold the shift key of your keyboard and right click up your mouse and paste it here and hit enter. If you don't know what is composer, you can install exe file and you can search it on Google composer. Okay, it's downloading packages. You can see auto load generated, so all the packages is downloaded. Okay, so now what we do, okay, so just drag and drop your project inside a code editor. So I have opened my project inside a NetBeans. I'm using NetBeans and here is my project. So we need to create a new file. You can give it any name. I'm giving index.php, right? And here we will type our code. So in a documentation, just copy this code. Okay, we will see step by step. We will not escape any step and paste it here. And we will need to modify some things it here, autoload.php. so we know that vendor has a autoload.php, so vendor and autoload.php. so we need to replace this path vendor / and autoload.php. and now we need to some username and password. You can use, we are using SMTP, so you can use it as your Gmail as well. Okay, Gmail email ID and Gmail password as well, but I am using my cPanel username and password of my email IDs. Okay, so just type it here. If you have a cPanel, that's good for you. Okay, but you can save for future if you are a beginners. Okay, you can create your email address, and if already exist email, okay, that's good for us in the list. So previously I have lots of emails I have created, and also now I'm also creating the email one more account. Okay, so lots of email, but you need to choose only one for SMTP. Okay, for setting up SMTP, so I'm choosing this email. Okay, and we need to configure this email. We don't need to change, just we need to some email ID and password, just only two things. And one is a mail server. Okay, so just click it here, set up mail email configuration, and you need to copy this username. This is called username, and paste it here. Okay, so one thing we have done, and second thing is SMTP is okay, SMTP is sending outgoing. Okay, transfer simple mail transfer protocol something. Okay, and this is outgoing email. So this is our mail server. We need to copy whatever you have. Okay, in this configuration we need to copy and paste. So this is our mail server. Okay, all the cPanels has different mail server, and here are password. So when we are creating email, that time we have a set the password of each emails. Okay, so we need to password as well. So I am updating my passwords. Okay, just copy this password and use it. Okay, and click it here. Okay, if you have already, don't worry about that. If you remember that, and just paste it here and 50% task we have completed. You can use email credential as well. It will work. So here are the password of our subject of our email. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, not a subject, but this video's aim also. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, and set from gajanan.kgn@gmail.com. You can set it from, means this is the sender's email. Okay, whatever you are using SMTP, but you can choose any domain, any domain's email ID, you can put it here. Okay, so it's a very simple. You can put in this list, you can put any emails, okay, whatever you are domain using, but we have a set our SMTP using only one domain, which is krishnarato.com. you have to choose. Okay, you have to follow my rules. It here, it will work. And if you have any problem, you can write a comment as well. Okay, so take Rudranshi is a sender, and here are the receivers. So you can put many receivers, comma comma comma, okay, separated by comma. So gajanan.kgn@gmail.com. here I am typing my two email addresses it here, and this is for the Reddit mail, gajan.kgn@reddit mail. This is my another email ID, and here are the receivers name. So just type it here, Gajanan, just your name and receiver's email, receiver's name. Okay, just remove this. This is the message body. Here is the message of email. Okay, and all the things we have done, when you run it will work. Okay, but some things are remain it here, so I'm not running. Okay, I'm not show you to it's working or not. Okay, just you have to wait just 2 minutes more you have to wait. I will show you to run this project, it's working or not. Okay, so we need to create a one more form, just form. First we need to close the PHP tag, because we have opened in here we can write HTML. So form and action, we don't want to any other pages, we are working on the same page. So action is blank and method is post, and input type email, you can type it email and text as well, and name is a email, and here are a submit button, input type submit, and values mail me. Okay, and placeholder, enter your email. Okay, so just copy this name, and here if is set $_post and email, it means we have some value. Okay, email has set, otherwise it will email we will type from the form. Okay, and close it here. So if your email has set, means have some value, so we will send the email to the receiver who are typing their emails. Okay, just remove just only one recipient at a time. Okay, so email automatically plays, okay, dynamically when you type email from a form. Okay, so now we will check it's working or not. Just copy the project name, open a browser, localhost, okay, / and paste it here and hit enter. Just zoom in and just let's check it's working or not. Just type your email address. Guys, if you like, please subscribe. Okay, and type your email address, and if you have a problem you can write a comment, okay, and let me know. So you can see it's working. You can see, okay, email we have received, okay, means email has delivered which we have sent. But when we are sending, the user don't know it's a sending or not, so we will show the message to the user, okay, email has been sent to this address. Okay, so echo it, email has been sent to this address which user will type through the form. Okay, and let's again check it's working or not. Guys, again I am saying please subscribe my channel. I will give more videos to you, okay, in a future. Actually I'm just like you. I'm and please subscribe my channel.